Ay, 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 ay. Changing again. Ay, ay, ay. Ay, 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 ay. Ay, 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 ay. Ay, 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 ay. Ay, 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 ay. Ay, 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 ay. Ay, 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 ay. Ay, 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 ay. That's the first phrase of our song. Let's go again. Ay, 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 ay. Next phrase. Ay, 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 ay. Ay, 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 ay. Who can tell me which key this is, which mode this is? Tell me. Ay, 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 ay. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. No, come on. You can switch yourself on and tell me. You know it. We've done a few songs in this mode. It's Misha Beirach, right? So, ay, 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 ay. Let's go. Ay, 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 ay. Ay, 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 ay. Okay, next phrase. Ay, 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 ay. I'll lead you through it. Ay, 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 ay. It's very twisty, goes like this. Let's go again, starting here. Ay, 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 ay. And one more time. Let's go from this phrase. Ay, 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 ay. Right? From the beginning. Da, 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 da. Together. Ay, 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 ay. Ay, 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 ay. Ay, 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 ay. Ay, 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 ay. This is our first two lines. Now you can see it in front of you. And the last two lines go like this. We are roughly, quickly going through them. So we are looking at the third line. Ay, 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 ay. We know this phrase from the beginning. And then, ay, 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 ay. Interesting, isn't it? Let's sing that phrase. That's second phrase on the third line. Da, da, let's go together. Ay, 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 ay. All right? So we're going from the beginning, and I'm going to do it with text. Quite a tragic song. That's your first note. Let's go. Schlag der Säger eins. Let's go again. Schlag der Säger eins. Next phrase. Oi, 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 eins. Oi, 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 eins. Sie ist doch mir schon gar alleins. Mir. I'm so lonely. Should it be mir? I guess so. For me, it's the clock strikes one, oi, 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 one. I'm so lonely, okay? So, sie ist doch mir. Let's go with me, that phrase. Sie ist, let's go. Sie ist doch mir schon gar alleins. Carry on. Oh, da gute Nacht. Oh, da gute Nacht. And we have the last phrase here. Zores meine große Leiden mir hergebracht. You can do la 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 or go with text. That last phrase. Da da da. sad song. So the clock strikes 1. Oi, 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 1. I'm here all by myself. Hot a gute Nacht. Have a good night. Tzoras meine, my sorrow, my great sadness brought me here. Okay? So we're going to sing this first verse. If you want to cry, do it in this song, because we only have one more song in which you can... 2 more songs in which you can cry today. Okay? From the top. Let's go. Schlag der Säger eins. Oi, 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 eins. Oi, 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 eins. Sie ist doch mir schon gar alleins. Oh, da gute Nacht. Oh, da gute Nacht. Zores meine Größe Leben ob mir hergebracht. So you can see that it says rubato on top of the page just before the music starts. It means it's not really rhythmical. We can play with the tempo, we can really stretch the phrases and really kind of, cry with it and not rush to the next phrases. We're going to sing this verse one more time. Let me just see you. How is the music? Easy? Yeah? Easy? Should be easy, right? Come on. Give me a nod, yeah? I'm slightly rushed today because I want to do all the other songs and we need time for these. So, from the top, and then we're just going to sing through the second and third and fourth verses and see what happens in the song as we're singing it. The translation is here on the right, so as you will be singing this, you will learn what happens in this quite a dark, dark song. Schlag der Säger eins. Oi, 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 eins. Oi, 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 eins. Sie ist doch mir schon gar alleins. Oh, da gute Nacht. Oh, da gute Nacht. Zores meine Größe Leben mir hergebracht. I'm going to do this. You will half see the tune and half see the second verse. Let's go. Oh, like that. Schlag der Säger zwei. Oi, 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 zwei. Oi, 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 zwei. Sie ist schon mir Wind ohne Weh. And the rest is the same. Oh, da gute Nacht. Oh, da gute Nacht. Zores meine Größe Leben mir hergebracht. So you can tell that the whole song will be the clock strikes 1 and 2 and then 3 and then 4, and this is just how the night goes. In the Beregovsky it says it's an orphan song. I don't see any indication in this song that it's an orphan song, but if Beregovsky says so, that might be it. Schlag der Säger 3. Schlag der Säger 3. Oi, 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 3. Oi, 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 3. Ich bin schon geworden vorbei. Oh, da gute Nacht. Oh, da gute Nacht. Zores hope you're with me. I can't look at the chat now. People are still arriving. I'm torn between three things. Now, verse 4. Here comes the tragic one, the worst one. Look what happens. Sing with me. Let's go. Schlag der Säger 4 strikes 4. Oi, 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 4. Oi, 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 4. Now listen. Liegen soll ich schon mit die Fies zu der Tier. You can stretch these syllables in different ways as long as they make sense to you. There are more syllables here. Liegen soll ich schon mit die Fies zu der Tier. I lie already with my feet to the door. I don't know about you, but in our Russian tradition, feet to the door means death, right? That's how you prepare a person to be carried out of the house. That's it. In this song, end of someone's life. So basically, I should lie with my feet to the door, and that's the tragic ending of that orphan, we assume. Okay, let's try and sing this song, this verse, squeezing as many syllables as you can into that line easily, non-rhythmically. Okay, Schlag der Säger 4. Let's go. Schlag der Säger 4. Oi, 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 4. Oi, 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 4. Liegen soll ich schon mit die Fies zu der Tier. Oh, der gute Nacht. Oh, der gute Nacht. Zores meine Größe Leben mir hergebracht. So we're going to do it one more time all the way through. And I normally don't teach songs like this. I thought, well, I love the tune. It's in an interesting Misha Beirach key. We usually sing in a Havaraba, which is this one, and this one is different, and it's really, really modal, which gives me an indication that's quite an old song. It's not a big developed melody, really folky, interesting. So we will sing through it one time. Vein all your cry all your sorrows out, and then we'll go on to the next song. Okay, good. How is the tune? Do you remember it? Because I can't show you the music and the tune and the text at the same time. Let's just la 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 through it one time. Let me look at you and just make sure that we know the tune. It's still coming in. Oi, oi, oi. Okay, let's go. Look at, I think I missed a line here. I'm sorry. Let's look at the first verse in the music, yeah? From the top. Schlag der Säger eins. Oi, 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 eins. Oi, 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 eins. Sie ist doch mir schon gar alleins. Oh, der gute Nacht. Oh, der gute Ooh, anyone crying? There's a lot happening in the chat. I'm not reading it, okay? There's tons of stuff. So, okay, interesting song, right? Interesting song. Of course, I was playing non-traditional harmonies. There wouldn't be any harmonies played to this music. Traditionally, it would be sung a cappella. But it's interesting to learn that page of our musical culture. Now, we're going to move swiftly through our other 4 songs, and they won't be necessarily in the order that we learned them in, but we are starting with a song for about which Leslie here in Toronto said, we have been upgraded. This is Adoina. This was our first song in this run of sessions. Again, it's less rhythmical. I will play it less rhythmically even than the one just now. This one was a bit kind of more or less in the rhythm. So this is Adoina, a genre that comes from instrumental music from Romania and that part of the world, improvised, stretched, emotional, and this is a song sung by a pastoral, a shepherd. I should remember, that's my own name. Composed in a very, very traditional way by Zelig Berdichever, whom we know from apparently Tumbalalaika. Apparently he was the author, the genuine author of Tumbalalaika that we all know. So before we sing the song, and we may not do the whole thing, let's just quickly run through the tune. Remember this one? No newcomers, you won't know this, so follow us as much as you can. Hum with us, sing with us. Yeah, remember this? Off, off, off. So what we will do, we will really enjoy singing it in style, but not all the way through. We will, just because we need time for the Shostakovich. So we will sing the first verse here. You see the first line under the music? Spiel du klezmer mir a volach, Adoina a volach, a similar kind of genre. Geld me zimmen, yeah, all that. So this is the Yiddish text if you want it. Yeah. So I will pay you properly, although he has no money. I like that fact that he is a poor shepherd, but he pays the musicians. Good, isn't it? So, and you, Poiker, you drummer, you play your drum. Today is a special celebration. A Hoga is a non-Jewish celebration. Today is a special holiday. and then lu 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 lu, and then we will go on to the fifth verse, which is here in the music. So we're going straight through the music all the way to the end. So we're reading the first verse and the fifth verse. Okay, let's stretch it and let's embellish it mit die Krächzen, with all these ornaments. Ay, 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 right? We talked about this. So take off and do it. We will start with in A minor, quite low for some of us, and we yeah, it's quite a big range, so we're staying in that key. Now, if you don't sing in the same rhythm as me, that's good. That's good. Let's go. Spiel du klezmer mira volle, geld me zimne ot hot soller, und du boiker poik bim bam, heint is hoge, heint is gram. Carry on, verse 5. Spiel je starker, hey Kapelje, spiel a doine, spiel a želje, nicht kein Sof und nicht kein Rinder, nor a hungrig Weib ohne Kinder. Big note. Yeah? Were there any people who didn't know it? You will, yeah, it was all, yeah, Sam, of course, yeah. Because it's not that, easy to just sing from memory. I had to look at the music, yeah? Good. Now the next song will be something happy. Let's see what happy we have. We have a happy song here. Yes, the next happy song is Tumba. Right, here we go. Yeah, a nice flirty one. Where she sews a dress, and she's sewing a white gown, and a young guy comes and pulls the thread, and she says, that'll cost you something. And yeah, and then in the end they stay together on the oven, and they're not sewing and not doing anything useful. So remember how the tune goes? Yeah. Going high. Oh, I've forgotten. You remember how it goes? I've been tired and that. What? Eve, sing it again. Great, thank you. Wow, I knew it really well, and now I forgot it. You know what? I'll make my life easier. Mine, not yours. My life easier. Let's go. Let's repeat this. No, come on. Second half. right. Now I think I remember it. Right. So I should remember it because I need to lead you through the whole text here. Let's try. So I'll stay on the Latin here, okay? So for Yiddish, it's above here on the page. It was on my... I think most of you have it printed, yeah? So we're going to sing through the whole thing. So we will sing the A and the B melodies like this. First verse on the A melody. We also sing. The second bit, we also sing, that middle bit, on the lower melody. And then we go, go up here. Then we go back to the lower melody, follow me, okay? Okay, just follow me. 1, 2, 3. Von Abend sitzt am Mädel, tumba, 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 ba. Und sie haft da weiße Kleidel, tumba, 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 ba. Ist der Bocher aufgeflogen, tumba, 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 ba. Hat der vor dem abgezeugen, tumba, 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 ba. Ein du Bocher, ein du Feier, tumba, 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 ba. Es wird dich kosten sehr teuer, tumba, 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 ba. Ich will nicht fragen dich von wann, tumba, 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 ba. Ich will nicht oplosen von dannen, tumba, 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 ich will dich halten, heel dich lieben, tumba, 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 ba. Zit das Bocher dort verblieben, tumba, 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 ba. Oi, von oben sitzen zweien, tumba, 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 ba. Nicht sie heften, nicht sie nähen, tumba, 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 ba. Ai, da, 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 ai, da, 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 da. Ai, da, 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 da. Otazoi. A nice little song, but we need to save time for the Shostakovich. Now, let me just check how many of you, apart from Sam, are new to the Shostakovich. That's not something you can just... Yeah, you've all sung it. Julian, you've done it. You've done it? No. You are a music reader, aren't you? You'll read it, more or less. It's not very straightforward, but I hope I can lead you through it okay, because I'll be reading accompaniment as well as everything else from my Russian version. So I guess let's just go for it. Maybe we can just go for it. Yeah, ready? Now here is just the main melody. That's not what I have. I'll try to squeeze it on one page, because last time I remember I forgot to... Oh, no, it's quite big. I forgot to scroll. Is it difficult to see if I put the whole page on the screen? I can't even put it on the screen like that. When I do this, I'll show you this and I'll look at you now in a minute. Is that too small? Shall I just leave that whole text on the page? Yeah? I'll leave the whole thing, because otherwise I'll forget, and then you'll be singing from memory, Shostakovich.
We can enlarge it on our own from our...
Please, can you really?
Yeah.
How? On your screen you can do it?
Under options, and you can increase the view.
Seriously? Okay. Oh, then I'll do that. I'll just stay where I am now with this. It's tiny. Yeah. And the last text here is lululu, so you don't really need that last little bit here. That's it. That's probably a good solution, right? Remember that? Remember? Da, 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 da. Very slow. Yeah, very slow. It'll be slow. It'll be kind of dark, right? Okay, let's go. An dem Wegel sitzt ein Mame, sitzt allein in der Wind. Du wirst dann verstehen, Mistame, was sie hat gemeint. Weit ist in Sibir dein Tate, schlaf mein Sonnenjung, du bist jung noch schön leisate, ai lulu, lulu, meine Zores ist mir also groß, schlaf mein Sonnenjung. Schlaf, mein Sohn, meine Kind, meine How was that? Yeah? It's quite a piece, isn't it? Did you beautiful, Robin? You like it? Yeah. I can read your lips now. You can actually switch yourself on and say something. Yeah. Interesting, right? Okay. Now we have 8 minutes, and we have one very fun song. And the fun song is a Russian song that we sing in Yiddish because it was translated into Yiddish and became a Yiddish song. And it's Lapches. Remember we talked about straw slippers, and it was just last week. And it's a beautiful, simple love thing, love story, although hopefully with a happy end. I don't know, I guess so. So she walks, she goes into the fields in her straw lapti. Lapti is a Russian word, and in Yiddish I guess you pronounce it like lapches, yeah, but in Russian it's lapti. They're made of straw, they're made of the kind of like tree bark of the tree, weavy things, and they're really simple to make. So first of all, let's quickly look at the tune, because then we will be just looking at text, and I don't remember how it goes, so let's see. Like this. Let's go slightly lower. I think I can remind you of it. Let's go. It goes like this. Lapches lieben gehören mein, ob zu schotten und zu trotten, über Felder Welt. Chorus one more time. Lapches ihre mein, Lapches lieben gehören mein, ob zu schotten und zu trotten, über Felder Wälder. So I hope we can remember the tune, more or less. Let's see. We are going at semitone high. Wait. Yeah, let's go. Ich bin ein Felder. Let's see if we can do this. Ich bin auf Felder, Wälder freie, ausgewachsen wie a Blum, ungeflochten Labtjes nahe, in der Stillkeit von Arum. Let's go, Labtjes meine, Labtjes Liebenke, meine, abzuschotten und zertrotten über Felder, Wälder. Noch einmal, Labtjes Liebenke, mein, abzuschotten und zertrotten über Felder, Wälder. Second verse. Es hat a Jung mein Herz gefangen und verkischet mit sein Blick. Ich bin in Felder herumgegangen, sich zu treffen mit mein Glück. Ich Labtjes meine, Labtjes Liebenke, meine, abzuschotten und zu trotten über Felder Wegen. Labtjes mein, Labtjes Liebenke, mein, abzuschotten und zu trotten über Felder Wälder. Ist geworden, base der Tata, he got angry, the father. Es wird genug, dir sein schon heim. Treib zurück mich in der Hut. Brought her back into the hut. Flechten Labtjes to make Labti of das Nei. Labtjes mein, Labtjes Liebenke mein, abzuschotten und zertrotten über Wälder, Wälder. Labtjes mein, Labtjes Liebenke mein, abzuschotten und zertrotten über Felder, Wälder. Let's see what happens at the end. Wie's hat die Nacht gekommen, spinnen es, and as the night comes down, ihre Säude still vertracht, all in secrets, haben wir dann bis beginnen, so they meet in the fields, in dem Kornfeld verbracht. Labtjes mein, Labtjes Liebenke, meine, abzuschotten und zertrotten über Felder, Wälder. Labtjes mein, Labtjes Liebenke, mein, abzuschotten und zertrotten über Felder, Wälder. Labtjes mein, Labtjes Liebenke, mein, abzuschotten und zertrotten über Felder, Wegen. Labtjes mein, Labtjes Liebenke, mein, abzuschotten und zertrotten über Felder, Wegen. Oder so. Okay, how was that? Right, so here we are at the end of our whole thing. So we can take another 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes to have a little chat. Any plans, anything you want to say? But I would like to invite you to a couple of things. Obviously, I need to do some promo because I'm stopping these regular groups now for the whole of the summer. We might come back to sing with me, we might not. Stay in touch. Maybe we'll do something on a monthly basis. Have a think, let me know in a minute. But please come to my other gigs. I'm teaching a 5 lesson course for the Workers' Circle based in New York in the end of June. I think I told some of you that. It'll be an hour and a half on Tuesday, Thursday, end of June, beginning of July. come to that. It's not yet on their website because they're finishing their spring courses. It'll be on their website, I think, as of tomorrow. But you can always ask me and see if you want to come. Now, another thing is that on Wednesday, Merlin and I, my husband and I, will be playing again for a silent film, Five Brides. You've seen it. We've played it 2 times this year already. If you've seen it, the music is always slightly different, but we improvise every time. But if you've seen it, you've seen it. If not, then it's free on Facebook on the Jewish Music Institute's website. And if you go to my page, there is an event. You can follow where to go. And another thing is what? Oh, the concert. Merlin and I are playing a concert, online concert. And the link to this is also on Sing With Me page. I think I put a little advert block there for you. So this is it. And I hope to see you in other places. I'll see some of you really quite soon. I have certainly 2 members of my Brighton choir, and I'm seeing them tomorrow. But otherwise, I don't know. Let's just say thank you to each other and say whatever you want to say, and share any thoughts you have. It's all yours. The floor is yours.